Alright guys, so I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new short sleeve men's button up shirt. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. Alright, check it out. Very lightweight material. So let's go ahead and actually put it on and see what it looks like. All right, this is what it looks like once I put it on. As you can see, it's got premium textured fabric that's super soft, breathable, and feels great on the skin. It's lightweight, which makes it perfect for summer, keeps you cool without sacrificing style or comfort. The design is simple but sharp. It's got a relaxed fit that drapes nicely without looking too baggy. I do have a 2XL. I do like my shirts a little bigger. The spread collar adds a bit of structure and its button closure is smooth, making it easy to throw on or dress up. Whether you're going for casual or a little more polished, it adapts well. What's great is how versatile it is. You can pair it with shorts or jeans and it just works. It's the kind of shirt you'll want to wear on a beach day, running an errand, or even layered up on a casual dinner. It definitely earns a spot in your go-to summer wardrobe. Overall, it's a clean, well-fitted shirt that does fit true to size, and it is machine wash friendly as well. So you guys are looking for a nice button-up short sleeve shirt, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.